will learn about farm animals today. This is what a farm might look overseas. This is what a farm in Hong Kong might look like. Some farm animals are a sheep, horse, pig, and cow. Just like last time, I'm going to show you a picture and try to guess what it is. What is this animal? It's a cow. Cow. Cows make the sound moo. What animal do you think this is? It's my favorite animal. It's a pig. Pig. What do you think this animal is? It's a chicken. Chicken. So what animals do you remember? Which animals belong on a farm? A chicken, a cow, a pig are some of the animals that we see on a farm. All right, thank you for watching with me. Have a good day.